today I'm going to talk about the distributive property. Students see it pretty early on. They see things like 5 times 1 plus 2, and they know that it's 5 times 3, and it becomes 5 times 1 plus 5 times 2, and it comes out to 15. And they also then could look at it in terms of x. And so now, right now, we've leaped from elementary right into middle school. If we go 5 times x plus 2, we then multiply the x by 5, and also the 2 by 5. What's the value of 5x plus 10? Depends on what x is. So sometimes the answer to some of these questions are actually algebra. If we change the sign from plus to minus, now we definitely have a middle school topic. Then we have 5 minus 10, and now we're getting negative numbers. And so if we increase the number of negative signs, we then increase the challenge or opportunity. So I'm going to talk about a couple examples. The first example here is negative 2 times x plus 5. When we distribute the negative 2, it becomes negative 2 minus 10. Negative 2 times 5 is 5 negative 2's. So if we did negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, we'd end up at negative 10. And you can think about that as you lost $2 5 times. If we then put in more minus signs, we increase the challenge. So now we have negative 5 times x minus 2. We have negative 5x, and then we have a minus times a minus. That becomes a plus. So this one becomes negative 5x plus 10, and negative 2 times 5 was negative 10, but negative 5 times negative 2 becomes negative negative, and that becomes positive 10. So the thing that I try to help students remember is double negative when you multiply is like I don't not like pizza. So that means you do like pizza. Similarly, but actually really differently, if we're just adding and subtracting, things work very different than if we're multiplying. So if we put these two problems together, we then get negative 2x minus 10 minus 5x plus 10, and the negative 10 and the positive 10 cancel out, and we have negative 2x minus 5x, which is negative 7x. You lost 2 and you lost 5 more. That becomes negative 7. If you did negative 2 plus 5, it would go in the other direction, and it would be positive 3. Thank you very much.